At which one of the following places do the rivers Alaknanda and Bhagirathi merge to form Ganga? Answer Devprayag. Which one of the following ports is the oldest port in India? Answer Chennai Port. Which peninsular river is least seasonal in flow? Answer Godavari. Which of the following is related to Bharat Nirman scheme? Answer Infrastructure development. Where was the electricity supply first introduced in India? Answer Darjeeling. The hottest planet in the solar system. Answer Venus. Indus River originates in. Answer Tibet. Volcano eruption do not occur in the. Answer Baltic Sea. Chambal River is a part of. Answer Narmada Basin. The country that has the highest in barley production. Answer Russia. River Lune originates near Pushkar and drains into which one of the following? Answer Run of Kutch. Patanjali is well known for the compilation of. Answer Yoga Sutra. The metal whose salts are sensitive to light is. Answer Silver. Who among the following wrote Sanskrit grammar? Answer Panini. The Central Rice Research Station is situated in. Answer Uttak. DRDL stands for. Answer Defense Research and Development Laboratory. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because. Answer The ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. An astronaut in outer space will observe sky as. Answer Black. Who is known as the father of Indian missile technology? Answer Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. FFC stands for. Answer Film Finance Corporation. Bats can fly in dark because. Answer They produce high-pitched sound called ultrasonics, which is considered as the biggest port of India. Answer Mumbai. Which is a green planet in the solar system? Answer Uranus. Name the plant important in sericulture. Answer Mulberry. The most important small-scale industry in India is the. Answer Handloom industry. Photometer is used to measure. Answer Ocean depth. Name the continent where tundra type of climate is not found. Answer Africa. The biggest public sector undertaking in the country is. Answer Railways. G15 is an economic grouping of. Answer Third World Nation. At which particular place on earth are days and nights of equal length away? Answer Equator. The study of heavenly bodies is called. Answer Astronomy. Federation Cup, World Cup, L1 International Trophy and Challenge Cup are awarded to winner of. Answer Volleyball. What is the study of human beauty called? Answer Calology. Which one of the following rivers is recharged by subsoil water? Answer: Godavari. The computer size was very large in. Answer: First generation. First Indian woman to win Man Booker Prize. Answer: Arundhati Roy. The Article 17 and 18 of Constitution provide. Answer: Social equality. Which of the following names is not associated with the insurance business in India? Answer: GE Money. The largest freshwater lake in India. Answer: Koleru Lake. Telecom company Nokia belongs to which country? Answer: Finland. According to WHO, the bird flu virus cannot be transmitted through food cooked beyond. Answer: 70 degrees Celsius. Which of the following diseases is not caused by virus? Answer: Cholera. Who set up the world's first floating ATM? Answer: State Bank of India. Who rules the state in the event declaration of emergency under Article 356? Answer: Governor. Which supercomputer is developed by the Indian scientists? Answer: Param 8000. Which airport is named as Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Airport? Answer: Agra. Which state government has launched Pashu Bazar website for online cattle sale? Answer: Telangana. Name a common greenhouse gas containing only hydrogen and oxygen. Answer: H2O. The basic architecture of computer was developed by. Answer: John von Neumann. In which type of economy national income and domestic income is equal? Answer: Closed economy. NASA and ISRO to come together to inspect oldest civilization site in. Answer: Haryana.